talk about your business model Canva. My team member name is S.Ranjith, Sneha, Ranjith, Shivaraj.
Guys, today I am going to share about business model Canva in that PC building. In that are focused on customized PC building service, its delivery, high performance, then specific needed for PC building, needed in PC building, and then key partners and key activities. Key partners highlight the importance of computer supplier like GPU, CPU, RAM, RTX, GTX. Mention logical partners for an reliable delivers. The importance of technical distribution for an association like monitor, keyboard, mouse, etc. Key activities emphasizing the core task, assembling the configuration of PC based on the customer needs. Touches on quality testing for performance and reliability and customer support for before and after for the sale. Thank you.
Hello guys, I'm gonna share about key resources and value proposition of PC building parameter. First, key resources, explaining the team strengths like skilled technicians who assemble custom PCs. Mention the importance of an inventory management system and an e-commerce platform for easy ordering. Highlighting the customer support team that ensures satisfaction and purchase. Next parameter, value proposition. Talk about the high performance customers PCs that are built based on customer requirements. Highlighting the focus on quality assurance and thorough testing to ensure performance, and how you provide expert recommendations to customers on the best components for their needs, whether the gaming or workstations.
Hi, I am Ranjith. I like to share customer relationships and channels for PC building. Customer relationship. Mention the personalized service like consulting to helping customers choosing the best PC build for needs. Describing ongoing technical support that customers receive through the multiple channels like phone, chats and emails. Talk about loyalty problems and or repeating customer discounts as way to build a strong building connection for your customers. Now channels. Describing an online stores where the customer can configure the order for a customized PC builds. Highlighting social medias by marketing like Instagram, Facebook and Twitter about PC build company. Where to attract new customers. Mention new events, trading shows and mention for the explosives and network for PC build company.
Hello, my name is Sneha and I am going to say about the customer segments. Our primary target audience consists of several distinct groups. First, we focus on gamers who depend on high performance which capable of handling the latest games at optional settings. Next one is we can cater to creative professionals such as graphic designers and video editors who require software efficiency. Additionally, we serve a small business that needs reliable office computers for everybody's tasks and engage with tech enthusiasts who are interested in customized build tailored to the specific preference and performance needs. Each of these segments has unique requirements that we aim to fulfill through the specialized offerings. And the next one is revenue streams, in which our revenue streams are despite ensures sustainable growth. A significant source of income comes from the sales of customer built PCs where we can cater to the specific needs of our customers. We also generate revenue through service fees for assembly and configuration, allowing customers to receive tailored setups without a hassle. Additionally, setups without the hassle and which help customers keep the system running smoothly, as well as upgrade for the exchanges machines and the extended warranties that provide the peace of mind for our clients. And the next one is cost structure. Our cost structure is primarily influenced by the cost of components, which account for a sustainable portions for our expenses. High quality parts are essential for delivering the performance for our customer expect. We also incur labor costs associated with the assembly and rigorous testing of each unit to ensure quality and reliability. Behind that, we have the operational costs such as rent and utilizing for our facilities, which are necessary for our daily life operations. Furthermore, we allot a budget to marketing all promotions to effectively reach our target audience and promote our services. Thank you.